It's assembly time at this primary school in Lagos. The focus of interest is this makeshift running tap that was distributed to schools to contain the spread of Ebola virus. While most schools no longer use theirs, this is still functional even long after Nigeria was declared Ebola-free by the World Health Organization.
We know that Ebola is no more in Lagos, but we still believe that prevention is better than cure. So we are trying to prevent it from coming in. So we have to wash our hands every day. At the time when they visit the toilet and they come out of the toilet, they come down to wash it before they go back to their classrooms.
Is it because there's no water in the toilet? That's why they come down to wash? Because we know that Lagos schools has problem of water.
Of water, exactly.
Before now, children would be screened for Ebola as they enter their school premises, but that is no longer the case. I spoke with some pupils and students from other schools and they confirmed that the consciousness to be on guard has evaporated.
We don't usually wash our hands again as before, and sometimes we protect ourselves by washing our hands and sanitizing our hands always.
Do you still have sanitizers in your school?
No, only in our house.
We are washing our hands, sanitizing our hands.
Okay, but what about now that we don't have Ebola anymore?
No more washing.
We're washing our hands. We're doing some things to prevent ourselves from Ebola.
Okay, what about now that we don't have Ebola?
We used to wash our hands sometimes during want to enter the class.
Even now?
No.
Children are not the only ones being misled to have a complacent attitude towards another possible outbreak of Ebola virus. Even at public places where free sanitizers are still being provided, visitors simply ignore them. This lady, for instance, says she no longer has a reason to wash her hands frequently.
Today I just went out and I've not washed my hands at all.
Okay. Why have you not washed your hands? During the time of Ebola, were you not washing your hands all the time?
Frequently. I was always washing my hand every day.
But why are you not washing it every time now?
Because Ebola is no more in Nigeria.
Right now.
I've always had hand sanitizer even before Ebola.
May I say it, please?
Chairman, Association of Public Health Physicians of Nigeria, wonders why the country needed to wait for a threatening situation to do what it ought to have been doing.
Well, again, it's the usual Nigerian style almost, you would say. It looks like we never get to do the right things except something is really threatening us at the moment. And of course, like we tried to make it clear then, that Ebola containment measures were nothing but the basic hygienic measures that we should have always had, within our systems. So Ebola was only telling us that we should ingrain or really take on these measures properly as our lifestyle. So it's disappointing. It's amazing that we could go back so easily and forget it all.
With the recent confirmation of avian influenza known as bird flu in Nigeria, the impact of hand hygiene in reducing transmission of infectious diseases cannot be overemphasized. Yet, people still don't wash their hands after a visit to the toilet or don't know how to do it right. If we realize the surfaces we touch and how we may transfer infection to others, we may be compassionate. Hand washing is more than just using soap and water. Toilets like this has got graphical illustration of how to do it properly. But experts say it takes 20 seconds to have a thorough hand wash. And your best timer is humming the happy birthday song twice. Although Ebola cases are declining even in worst affected countries in West Africa, but until they are completely free of the virus, experts say it makes sense to guard against complacency. For a united voice to prevent another outbreak, join the conversation at ebolathreats.tvcnews.tv. Vivian Irikefe, TVC News, Lagos.